6 war veterans have already approached the Constitutional Court to block the bill. The main battle line now centers on whether Parliament alone can approve the changes or whether the people must decide through a referendum. Sadabna mashoko arikuda pangwa inoi the current position zviri kuitika chaizvo pano the constitutional amendments. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. News oxygen mudanyura chiti ZANU-PF itself is fractured. One faction rallies behind Mnangagwa in the 23rd division. Another, reportedly backed by Chiwenga, resists any extension that would block his own path to the presidency. The opposition and civil society remain fragmented and unable to mount a unified challenge. This leaves the ruling party with its engineered 2/3 majority in the legislature to force the amendments through if unchecked. Retired military leaders and some senior civil servants have issued a strong-worded petition to the Speaker of Parliament, signed by Mchena on behalf of ex-combatants and the retired generals. The document condemns the proposals as a threat to the principle that power belongs to the people. It demands that the same Zimbabweans who endorsed the 2013 constitution through a referendum be allowed to speak again. The development exposes deep fault lines in the military political nexus that has defined Zimbabwe since independence 1980. The army has long been intertwined with the ZANU-PF governance. Solomon Mujuru held entrenched that relationship after the Liberation War. Chiwenga reinforced in it in 2017. Now elements from both eras are uniting against a president they once supported. Mnangagwa finds himself navigating a severe internal crisis while pursuing reforms to electoral systems and governance. For his legacy, he faces a backlash from the very security sectors that brought him to power. The convergence of Mjuru and Chiwenga networks signals that the once monolithic support from the defense establishment is eroding. Toma developments arikuda pangwa inoi. Pena comment section medu board zamafungura imo to dipa msoro peshirko ish. Sound subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.